Facebook, and you're live with Lynn again at the beautiful Auburn Hills. Today we're going to go through some furniture. What do you call it, Megan?
Farmhouse.
Farmhouse styles, okay? That's the new in thing right now. So we're going to go over 3 dining room sets. They're going to accompany kind of rustic, barnyard, farmhouse type styles. Okay, so the Clyde, we call it the best of both worlds. You actually are combining woods with metal. All right, so this is, I would call this, what is it called? Rustic. Industrial. Believe it or not, this is probably one of the best veneer workings I've ever seen in my life, and I'm going to show you how you can tell. So you're combining, this is veneer elm, all right? They also do some type of wire brush finish, but if you look at the sides, they actually do such good veneer working that you cannot even tell that it's a veneer. And it is solid. So it's over MDF. So same thing with the bench here. You have the same exact type finish. And then they take that finish and that wood coloring and they bring it up to the back of the chairs. But you have a fully textured pattern seat as well, bringing that metal into the side of the chairs and around the front. So you do have a lot of, it's just a lot of bang for your buck. The more industrial stuff, it doesn't matter how many times you hit it, you knock on it, you write on it. It actually adds beauty because it's adding character to the wood, and it's very hard to distress this or to ruin this.